morning, good afternoon, good evening around the world. Nandito na naman tayo sa kabilang Hala, ang lalaki hindi ako marunong magpili ng matamis. Ayan. Dumaan tayo dito, guys. Ayun. Ang mahal naman tong halaman, oh. Ganda nga, oh. Guys. Ay, bibili tayo ng Bibili tayo ng snack. Bibili tayo ng snack. Bili tayo ng snack, guys. Wala naman yung gusto ko, ubos na. Oh. Oh, ito na lang. Ayan, oh. Sabi ng lolo, bibili daw tayo ng kwason. Ay, diba guys? Ayan. Bibili tayo. Ang lalaki ng tinapay nila. Oh, diba? Ayan, guys. Bibili tayo ng... Ay, wala akong basket. Dala. Sandali, wala tayong basket. Darling, you got basket? I didn't get a basket. One talop? Is it go up or mura? 149? Oh, it's supposed to 189, isn't it? $149. I thought it's mura. About 100 peso ang isang prutas.
I forgot, Mum left me loads of fruit in her fridge and I forgot to bring it.
Ayan. Prutas pa more. Titignan natin kung nandito yung prutas ko, guys. Strawberry. There, got one left, darling. You take inside. There's an inside as well. Nah, okay. Just one? You take so? Okay. Alright then. Just one. Okay.
You want any broccoli?
No, it's okay.